Question number 3, simplify. Number 1, 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 4. See here all the denominators are different. So first we have to make denominator same. For that we want LCM. So we take LCM of 2, 3, 4. So we will start with 2 table. 2 ones are 2. So in 2 table 3 will not come. So we will carry down same. So 4 will come. 2 twos are 4. Then again we will take 2 table. 2 ones are 2. Now we will take 3 table. 3 ones are 3. So LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. So 2 twos are 4. 4 threes are 12. So our first fraction is 1 upon 2. So we want denominator 12. So what we will multiply to 2? See, 2 is there. So remaining 2 number. We will multiply 2 3s are 6. So we will multiply 6 to 2 to get 12 as a denominator. 2 6 are 12. So same in numerator also we will multiply. So 1 6 are 6. Now next fraction is 1 upon 3. So 1 upon 3. We want denominator 12. So what we will multiply to 3? So see 3 is there. So we will take two numbers, multiply 2 2s are 4. So we will multiply 4. So 3 4s are 12. In numerator also we will multiply. So 1 4s are 4. Now next fraction is 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4. So we want 12 as a denominator. So 2 2s are 4. So which number is left? 3. So we will multiply 3 to 4. 4 3s are 12. In numerator also we will multiply 3. So 1 3s are 3. Now we will write the fraction 6 upon 12 plus 4 upon 12 minus 3 upon 12. Here all the denominator are same. So we will write one time common denominator 12. Then we will write the numerator 6 plus 4 minus 3. Now first we will add 6 plus 4, 10. So 10 minus 3 upon 12. So what we will get? So 10 minus 3 equal to 7 upon 12 is our answer. Now number 2, 5 upon 8 minus 5 upon 6 plus 5 upon 12. So here also all the denominators are different. So we take LCM of 8, 6, 12. We will start with 2 table. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. 2 6s are 12. Then again we will start 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 3 we will carry down. 2 3s are 6. 2 1s are 2. Now 3 table. 3 1s are 3. So LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So what we got LCM? 24. So our first fraction is 5 upon 8. 5 upon 8. So we want denominator 24. So what we will multiply to 8? See, 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So which number is left? 3. So we will take 3. 8 3s are 24. In numerator also we will multiply by same 3. 5 3s are 15. Now next fraction is 5 upon 6. 5 upon 6. So we want denominator 24. So what we will multiply to 6? See, 2 3s are 6. So which numbers are left? 2 2s are 4. So we will multiply 4. 6 4s are 24. In numerator also we will multiply. So 5 4s are 20. So next fraction is 5 upon 12. So we want denominator 24. So see 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So which number is left? 2. So we will multiply 2. So 12 2s are 24. In numerator also we will multiply 2. So 5 2s are 10. So our fractions are. So we will write now fractions. 15 upon 24 minus 20 upon 24 plus 10 upon 24. Here all the denominators are same. So we will write one time common denominator 24. We will write the numerators 15 minus 20 plus 10. We have to write with the sign. Now first we will add 15 plus 10. So how much 15 plus 10? We have to add. Both are plus there, addition there. So we will add 5 plus 0. So 5 plus 0, 5. 1 plus 1, 2. So 25. Now which left there? Minus 20 upon 24. Now we have to subtract 25 minus 20. So 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 2, 0. So we got answer 5 upon 24 is our answer. Now number 3, 1 upon 3 minus 5 upon 9 plus 5 upon 12. So here also all the denominators are different. So we take LCM of 3, 9, 12. 9, 12. So we will start with 2 table. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. Then 3 table. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Again this 3 is there. So we will take 3 table. 3 1s are 3. So LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. So 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 3s are 36. So first fraction is 1 upon 3. So we want denominator 36. So with 3 what we will multiply? So 3 is there. So 3 2s are 6. 6 2s are 12. So we will multiply 12. In numerator also same 12. So 1 12s are 12. So next fraction is 5 upon 9. So we want denominator 36. So 9 is there. So 3 3s are 9. So remaining 2 numbers 2 2s are 4. So we will multiply by 4. So 5 4s are 20. Now next fraction is 5 upon 12. So we want denominator 36. So 12 is there. So 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So which number is left? 3. So we will multiply 3. In numerator also we will multiply by 3. So 5 3s are 15. So now we will write the fractions. 12 upon 36 minus 20 upon 36 plus 15 upon 36. So here all denominator becomes same. So we will write one common denominator 36. Now we will write the numerator 12 minus 20 plus 15. So first we will add 12 plus 15. So 5 plus 2 7. 1 plus 1 2. 27. So 27 minus 20 upon 36. So we have to subtract 27 minus 20. 7 minus 0 7. 2 minus 2 0. So our answer is 7 upon 36. Now next number 4. 3 upon 5 minus 7 upon 10 plus 5 upon 12. So first we will take LCM. We take LCM of 5, 10, 12. So we will start with 2 table. 2 5s are 10. 2 6s are 12. Then 2 3s are 6. Then 3 table. 3 1s are 3. Then we will start with 5 table. 5 1s are 5. So LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 5. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So what is our LCM? 60. So our first fraction is 3 upon 5. So 3 upon 5 multiply. So what we will multiply to get denominator as 60? See, 5 is there. So remaining all number we will take. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. So in numerator also we will multiply 12. So 12 3s are 36. Now next fraction is 7 upon 10. So we want denominator 60. So with 10 what we will multiply? 5 2s are 10. So remaining two number we will take 2 and 3. So 2 3s are 6. So 10 6 are 60. In numerator also we will do 6. 7 6 are 42. Now next fraction is 5 upon 12. So we want denominator 60. So 12, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So which number is left? 5. So we will multiply with 5. So in numerator also we will multiply. 5 5s are 25. So we will write now fractions. 36 upon 60 minus 42 upon 60 plus 25 upon 60. So we will write one common denominator 60, then 36 minus 42 plus 25. So now we will add 36 plus 25, 6 plus 5 11. So 1 will be carried over, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 2 6. So 61 minus 42 upon 60. So we have to subtract. So 1 minus 2 is not possible. So we have to borrow from 6. 6 will become 5 and this 1 will become 11. 11 minus 2, 9 and 5 minus 4, 1. So our answer equal to 19 upon 60. Now number 5. 4 upon 9 plus 7 upon 12 minus 1 upon 6. So we take LCM of 9, 12 and 6. So we will start with 2 table. 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Then we will start with 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3. Then 3 1s are 3. So LCM equal to 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are 36. So first fraction is 4 upon 9. So we want denominator 36. So what we will multiply to 9? So 3 3s are 9. So we will take 2 2s are 4. So we will multiply 4. 9 4s are 36. In numerator also we will multiply 4. 4 4s are 16. Now next fraction is 7 upon 12. So we want denominator 36. So what we will multiply to 12? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So which number is left? 3. So we will write 3 in numerator also. 7 3s are 21. Now next one is 1 upon 6. So we want denominator 36. So what we will multiply? 2 3s are 6. So we will take other 2 3s are 6. So we will multiply by 6. In numerator also 1 6 are 6. So we will write now fractions. 16 upon 36 plus 21 upon 36 minus 6 upon 36. So we will write one common denominator 36. 16 plus 21 minus 6. So first we will add 16 plus 21. 6 plus 1 7. 1 plus 2 3. So 37 minus 6 upon 36. So now 37 minus 6. 7 minus 6 1. 3 will carry down. So 31 upon 36 is our answer.